Hey guys, Silent Assassin. Today, I would like to do a video on my airsoft gun shooting. I did a video on my actual airsoft gun. Now, I want to do a video on my airsoft gun that's shooting. So, I just need to adjust this stupid thing. Let me minimize it. Okay. So, I'm going to go grab my airsoft gun, which is right over there. So this is the airsoft gun. It takes standard high cap 300 round magazines with a little crank on the bottom. And it is an M4A1 carbine. That's what I love about it. It's an M4. It's real easy to just bring up to your chest, and I love it. So, oh shoot, all my targets fell. How about I shoot at something that'll make some noise when I hit it? So, where is the, I can never find the stupid stop button. Okay, I'm just gonna do this as quick as I can. So, you may pay attention, to the plant. Pay attention to the plant, people. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. I just, so here's the thing, I'm recording with a webcam, and I do not know where, the webcam, what's it called? The actual webcam stopper is where you can pause out of the video. So I don't know where that is, and, yeah. So, it's easy how to load it. Just like any airsoft gun, you put the clip inside of the gun. No dirty comments. And then you crank this up a bit. So, from here, I'm going to put the camera in a different position, and you will see the metal gong that I'm going to be shooting at. So, alright. Nope, you can't see the metal gong. I'm going to zoom in. Now it's just worse. Now it's all like pixelated and stuff. It's better than nothing. Mother clucker. Well, I don't even know if you guys can see the gong that I'm shooting at. No, you can't. Guess I'm gonna have to zoom out. Alright. Oh yeah, you can see it. See? Right. 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 It's so hard. Well, anyways. Right. Yeah, where my hand is covering. Okay? On top of that deer. So that's where I'm shooting. Work in progress, my friends. Work in progress. So you can hear that ding, right? That time I missed by like an inch. It's sighted at 50 yards, and right here we're at like maybe 15. And I sighted this thing in at like, probably not 50 yards, but something around 45. So it's not the most accurate, it's just close range, but it's shooting a bit high because it's sighted in at a farther range. Now let's try a little bit full auto, like burst fire. Burst fire is personally my favorite because I don't like shooting semi-auto because if you miss, the target could hear it. I don't like fully auto because you waste a lot of ammo. I like burst fire when you just put it on fully auto and just tap the trigger, because it sends out maybe 2 or 3 bullets, and one of those 2 or 3 bullets is probably going to hit them. So it's kind of like a scatter shot almost. So let's go shoot some more at the target. Crank up a bit. And you might be able to see, right, you can't really see that good, but right in the corner of the big wood pile, there is a little tiny bucket. Sounds pretty weird when you shoot it. I like the gong better. It's so fun. Remember one thing? You always need to crank up the magazine. It sucks when there's a bunch of guys on your butt, you didn't crank up your magazine, you turn the gun on fully auto, you go like Rambo under your shoulder and start firing, noticing that no airsoft BBs are coming out of the chamber. That always sucks, and that's happened to me way more than once. Or twice. So, I think that pretty much sums it up for today. If you want to see a full review on this M4A1 by Elite Force, go to my airsoft gun YouTube video. It has like 4 views and 0 likes, but I just posted it yesterday, so I'm hoping to get some views on it. And remember, subscribe if you have not. This is just the start of my channel. Later on, my channel will get a lot better with like gaming and stuff, but I still can't find a stupid screen recorder that's free. So that's the end of my video, guys, and hope you have a nice day. Oh yeah, like the video and subscribe. It really helps me out. So see you guys. Where the hell is the stop recording?